in the heart of Bohol, as the first light of dawn touches the land. A breathtaking masterpiece slowly awakens, rising gently from the earth. Over 1,000 perfectly shaped hills create one of the Philippines' most extraordinary natural wonders, the Chocolate Hills. During the rainy season, these hills glow in vibrant green. But when summer arrives, the grass dries under tropical sun, transforming them into rich chocolate brown mounds, giving the Chocolate Hills their sweet and unforgettable name. From the famous viewing deck in Carmen, visitors are treated to a spectacular panoramic view. A rolling sea of hills stretches endlessly toward the horizon, peaceful, symmetrical, and almost surreal. Millions of years ago, this land was hidden beneath the ocean. Ancient coral reefs and limestone deposits slowly rose from the sea. Through centuries of rainfall and natural erosion, nature carefully sculpted these hills into the symmetrical formations we see today. But science is not the only story told here. Local folklore speaks of two mighty giants who once battled across this land, hurling massive stones at one another. When their fight ended, the scattered rocks remained, forming the legendary Chocolate Hills. Today, the Chocolate Hills stand as a symbol of harmony between science, culture, and imagination, a natural treasure that continues to inspire wonder in every visitor. In Bohol, nature created a masterpiece shaped by time and legend. The Chocolate Hills, a magical wonder of the Philippines, waiting to be explored.